Good morning, students. Our first term syllabus of English literature is completed. So from today, we will start the second term syllabus. In today's class, we are going to study a poem. The name of the poem is The Snare. So now, all of you will open the page number 49 from your English literature book. Look, this is the poem. We are going to study this poem in today's class.
The snare. So before starting this poem, what is the meaning of the snare? Snare is the device which is used for catching the small birds and animals. In this device, small birds and animals are trapped by especially by their legs. इसमें उनके legs से उनको ट्रैप किया जाता है so that they cannot escape, ताकि फिर वो भाग ना सकें. So this poem is written by the poet named James Stephens. Name is written over here, James Stephens. The basic theme of the poem is that we should not hurt anyone. हमें कभी किसी को hurt नहीं करना चाहिए. We should not make the others to suffer. And the second one, that we should always try to help the needy person. The person who are in problem, who need our help, we should try to help them out. So coming to the main poem, look at the first line. I hear a sudden cry of pain. There is a rabbit in a snare. So the poet from the starting is creating a scene in which he is saying that there is a little rabbit who is trapped in a snare and is crying for help because of pain. Because of being trapped, फंसे होने के कारण उसे दर्द हो रहा है and the rabbit is crying because of the pain, and the poet is getting that voice, getting that sound, and he's recognizing the face and recognizing the voice and telling that there is a rabbit in a snare. Now I hear the cry again, but I cannot tell from where. Now the poet is saying that the sound of pain, the cry of pain is increasing. वो बढ़ रही है और वो लगातार उसे सुन रही है. पोएट को वो आवाज बार बार सुन रही है. He is hearing the cry again, but I cannot tell from where. But he don't know from where the sound is coming, from where the cry is coming. वो आवाज कहाँ से आ रही है, उसे ये चीज नहीं पता है. He is not sure about the place. But I cannot tell from where he is calling out for aid. मैं ये नहीं जानता हूँ कि वो कहाँ से हेल्प के लिए पुकार रहा है. He's screaming, he's calling out for aid. Aid means help. From where he is calling out for help, the poet is unknown of that place. Crying on the frightened air, making everything afraid. So the poet is saying that the cry, the pain of the rabbit is increasing, is growing louder and louder. वो बढ़ते जा रही है और उसकी वजह से making everything afraid means कि वहाँ का जो complete atmosphere है, that atmosphere is now getting filled with the pain, the agony of that rabbit. और उसके उस fear और pain की वजह से the complete atmosphere is becoming afraid, and that's why the word frightened air is being used. जिसे पोएट बता रहा है कि वहाँ की जो वातावरण है, वहाँ का जो एटमोस्फेयर है, एयर है, उसमें भी उसके दर्द से, उसके पेन से और उसके डर से वो सब कुछ उसके एटमोस्फेयर में भर चुका है. Making everything afraid, wrinkling up his little face. Wrinkling up means forming the lines, folds. जब हमारे फेस पे lines या folds आ जाएं because of usually the wrinkles happens by the age के साथ wrinkles होते हैं. But here the poet is saying that the wrinkles are coming on the face of the rabbit because of the pain. Pain के कारण उसका face twisted हो रहा है, pale हो रहा है, and is wrinkling up his little face because and making everything afraid. अब उसकी चीख उसके दर्द से बढ़ते जाते हुए. And he cries again for aid, and I cannot find the place. The poet is now becoming restless. वो परेशान हो रहा है, बेचैन हो रहा है. He is very desperate to find the place so that he can rescue the trapped rabbit. वो फंसे हुए rabbit को बचाने के लिए परेशान है. He is searching for that place from where that sound is coming. And so he is saying that वो फिर से help के लिए चिल्ला रहा है, वो फिर से हेल्प के लिए चीख रहा है. And I cannot find the place, और मैं प्लेस को ढूंढ नहीं पा रहा हूँ. And I cannot find the place where his paw is in the snare. मैं उस प्लेस को ढूंढ नहीं पा रहा हूँ where his paw is in the snare, where the rabbit is trapped in the snare by his paw. Paw means the foot of an animal. एनिमल का जो फुट है, जो उसका पंजा है, जिससे कि स्नेयर में वो फंसा हुआ है, ट्रैप्ड है, मैं उस जगह को ढूंढ नहीं पा रहा हूँ. लिटिल वन, ओह लिटिल वन, ही इज फीलिंग पिटी, ही इज फीलिंग पुअर, ही इज फीलिंग सैड फॉर दैट पुअर रैबिट. आई एम सर्चिंग एवरीवेयर. वो यहाँ पे उसके चीक से खोज खोज के परेशान भी है और नहीं ढूंढ पाने की वजह से उसे उस बात की दुख भी है. ही इज पिटी, ही इज सैड एंड इज सेइंग दैट लिटिल वन, ओह लिटिल वन. बाय सेइंग दिस ही इज डिनोटिंग द रैबिट, द पुअर रैबिट हु इज इन डीप पेन एंड आई एम सर्चिंग एवरीवेयर. मैं तुम्हें हर जगह ढूंढ रहा हूँ, बट आई एम फीलिंग सॉरी फॉर यू दैट आई एम नॉट एबल टू find you, I am not able to help you. So this is the poem. From this poem we can just summarize it in the some 2 or 4 points. These are the key points, which are: first one, the poem reflects the sensitive and sympathetic attitude of the poet. ये जो poem है, poet के sympathy और sensitive attitude को बता रही है कि poet ने जब उसके sufferings को, उसके cry वाले sound को और pain को जब सुना, when he heard to the sound of the cry of the rabbit, he becomes very sensitive. He is of the sensitive nature that he can't bear the sufferings of others. He can't see the others in suffering. वो दूसरों को दुख में, दर्द में नहीं देख सकता है. He feels sympathy for the rabbit कि वो उसको बचा सके. Second one, it depicts pain and agony of the rabbit. इस poem में उसके पेन को बताया जा रहा है कि वो बहुत दर्द में है, उसको बहुत पेन हो रहा है. Poem shows the restlessness of the poet to save the trapped rabbit. Trapped rabbit को बचाने के लिए poet किस तरह से परेशान है. He is looking for that place again and again. It shows the restlessness. उसकी बेचैनी को बता रहा है कि poet उसके चीख से, उसके दर्द से परेशान है. He wants to save the trapped rabbit. And fourth one, the poem describes the grief of the poet because of his failure to find the rabbit. और poem लास्ट में उसके पिटीनेस, उसके सैडनेस, उसकी ग्रीफ को भी बता रहा है. दैट पोएट इज फीलिंग सॉरी फॉर नॉट बीइंग एबल टू फाइंड द रैबिट एंड सेव द रैबिट. एंड टू फोकस ऑन दीज basic points, to focus on these main points, the poet has used a technique in this poem, that is the technique of repetition. Repetition की technique को यहाँ use किया गया है so that he can emphasize these main 4 points. The technique you can see here, that but I cannot tell from where. But I cannot tell from where means the next stanza is started. The first line of the next stanza is started with the last line of the previous stanza. हर नए स्टैंजा की जो फर्स्ट लाइन है वो प्रीवियस स्टैंजा के लास्ट लाइन से शुरू हुई है, सो दैट द फोकस कैन बी मेड ऑन दैट मेन पॉइंट. वी कैन सी इट हियर अगेन, मेकिंग एवरीथिंग अफ्रेड, to focus on the pain of the rabbit. And I cannot find the place, and I cannot find the place. Here the focus is on the restlessness of the and the sympathetic attitude of the poet. And this is the poem and all the things I hope it's been clear to you. Okay, read it properly.